you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah.
Well, I want to mention one more thing, guys. I would like to mention this in each and every single video of mine. When you're getting a profit in the market, make sure to trail your stop loss to take profit after it has reached a certain extent, because you don't want to be coming out of the market with a loss or at CTC, which means cost to cost. If you're coming out at cost to cost, remember it's not exactly cost to cost, because you need to pay brokerage and you need to pay STT as well as other taxes. So make sure you're coming out of the market at a profit once you have entered a trade. And initially, for all the new people who are starting off with a very small capital, make sure that you manage your capital, manage your risk, and preserve your capital, because in this market, if you want to grow, you need to practice. And if you want to practice, guys, you have to preserve your capital. Okay? Today the date is 25th. Last 2 days there were a couple of bloodbaths which had happened in the market. Today we are expecting a correction, so there's a gap up opening as expected. And yeah, the time at which I'm recording right now is exactly 9, almost 9 you can say. So gap up opening 25th, mark my words. I'm gonna think about scooping it up and getting a quick profit in the morning itself, and then we're gonna observe the market, and then probably we're gonna aim for the upside. But I also do have a downside view. If the market falls beyond 30,800 and 60, 50 aroundish, there might be panic selling if it sustains at that level down there. So yeah, it's not always advisable to have one-sided view. Previously I always used to have one-sided view, like I always used to go for put options, because I knew if it's a fall then it'll be a bad fall. But now I always keep both-sided view and try to earn both sides around. So anyways, and also need to fix this headphone, which you can see got a premaket over here. I don't know whether it will work or not. So the nearest cap is actually showing 10 minutes away, but yeah, I need to go over there because the power outages over here are really outrageous. It might go down anytime, and I don't want for you guys to lose the connection during the market hours. Now I really don't know why this guy is taking a U-turn from here. He was actually over here. He just could have just gone down over there straight. Well, the only problem with today's market is that at 1:30, when the European market opens, there might be a downfall. I'm expecting some kind of downfall at 1:30. I mean from 12:30 to 1:30. But let's see what happens. Till then, we're gonna keep an upper side view, because Bank Nifty, which we have again chosen for our selection, I mean for the index which we have chosen again for our trades, is at a major support level. But if it breaks the support, guys, it'll fall drastically. There'll be a free fall, 100%. जल्दी चलिए भैया. So as expected, guys, all of the major indexes, they are red, but yeah, market it has not opened. After the Indian market, the European market will open, and after that market, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, all of those market will open. Currently the status of the world market, as you can see, it's still majorly in a red condition. I don't know whether you can see it. Okay, yeah. So majorly it's still in a red condition, but we are expecting some kind of correction all over the place. As far as the news goes, not much of a positive news, but I think the scenario would be a bit more relaxed today. And tomorrow again we have the Independence, 26th of January, which is the Republic Day. Is it Republic Day? Yeah. So it's the Republic Day, and expecting the market to be hugely volatile today. So definitely decrease your quantity size and trade very smartly. भैया यहाँ से चलिए, वहाँ से ब्लॉक होगा रास्ता ये वाला। हाँ, यहाँ से मैं बताता हूँ, आप जाइए। आते हैं वो बात तो ठीक है। As per my calculation, guys, gap up opening, as you can see, Bank Nifty is in green and it has made a move towards the upside, a huge move as expected, and right now it's coming down a bit. ये वाला है could have taken a trade, but as I was in the car I couldn't. Alright guys, the market was so volatile that it hit my stop loss, and just to update you, I'm in a loss of 1,300 something. So let's see what happens from here. Well, looks like it hit my stop and it's going down, so well, thank God I placed a stop loss. The market is hugely volatile, guys, today. I shouldn't have taken a trade while on the cap, for which I couldn't monitor the prices perfectly. So, but yeah, we're gonna wait 1,000 losses. Okay, so let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, quick situation update. Remember, I was in a loss of 1,000 rupees in the morning, expecting the market to go up. Well, as expected, it did open in a gap up, but right now the current position, as you can see, already recovered my losses and 4,600 rupee profit already. And I think there is a bloodbath going on right now. It's gonna fall really badly. Oh my god. It's gonna fall really badly, guys. So let me just catch this and update you with the situation, and let me just start the live streaming. Today Starbucks coffee is already sponsored by BANKNIFTY. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get on with the day. Alright, so we are again in the toilet since Starbucks won't let me vlog. The day has ended. Currently outside Starbucks taking my tiffin and I'm going to eat outside. Well, and as expected, guys, today the market had opened in a gap up. The gap up was really huge, 200 points above. After that it went down, really good movements, so you could have gone towards the upside and also towards the downside. Later on the market was totally flat. Even at 130 it didn't move that much, just went down a bit, and then it tried to come up, but it could not come up eventually. So that was the problem. Anyways, guys, third day of live trading, and today also we have ended the day in a profit, and the profit is also good. We have made 15,500, which is okay. It got my Starbucks expenses covered, my transportation expenses covered, and we'll be having some parathas over here which I got from my house, not having inside Starbucks because it's not allowed, and not wanting to waste a lot of money, because whatever I've earned, I don't want to waste it with at some bread or stupid ass pizza for 250 rupees. Better to preserve that capital and use it for some other reasons. So just gonna have this quickly. We'll share my profit, obviously. I'm gonna share my profit right now.
I want you to come over.
Also
I wish that you would come and give me
gonna eat.
something.
Okay guys, so as you see, I'm opening my angel broking app, and that is the total profit which we have earned today, which is 15,500. I had made a loss, one loss, which was about 1,300. I hope you can see that loss. Made a loss over here, 1,300, which we have recovered quite beautifully, and that loss was due to my own mistake. I was trading inside the car while coming to Starbucks, which I shouldn't have done. Anyways, we have recovered the loss. The touch and go strategy impulse move had played out beautifully, and we have made a good one today, just before Republic Day. Didn't overtrade, just took about 2 to 3 trades. Most of them were profitable, only one ended up in a loss. My view of the market day after tomorrow is that right now I am not in a mood to give any view, because the market is still in a hanky-panky position. It's standing at a major support right now, so only if it breaks the support, which is at 31,000 somewhere, if it breaks that, then only I'll go for a sell order. Otherwise I won't be taking any order, and I'm not doing any BTST, and I hope you guys are also not doing any BTST, which is buy tomorrow, buy today and suffer tomorrow. Okay, so anyways, I'll be going to Starbucks, and I'll be editing this video and hopefully posting it to you guys, so that you guys can also make a note out of it. Take care, be happy, and yeah, until then. Okay guys, just wanted to say one more thing regarding today's session. So I have earned 15,500, and if you have earned anything like me, or maybe even 5,000 or 10,000, make sure to take that amount out of your account right now, because the expiry, we are approaching the expiry, and the options, the premium of the options will decrease, and obviously you can buy it at a much cheaper price, so you don't need to have that much amount in your account right now. Okay, so I hope that makes this point clear. Make sure to take out your profits and withdraw them right away.